Welcome to Epic Learning's Heartbeat with the World, Volume 28. We have the whole crew again. Yeah!
Yay!
Each week we get together to share our win of the week and then share what we're up to in the following week. So let's start with Scott. You're looking innocent. Share what your win of the week was.
So my win of the week is I'm doing a course on Photoshop and Illustrator just to get a bit better with it and stuff like that. It's not my strongest software to use. So I'm doing the Photoshop one at the moment, and just the things that I'm learning that I didn't, I've been doing a really hard way to do it. It's kind of like there's an easier way to do it, and it's just blowing my mind. So like my tip one, you can turn a picture on its side frontwards with the crop tool. I just didn't know that. It's so cool.
Wait until you play with Photoshop and do puppet manipulation. We can bend a photo and it doesn't lose perspective. Yeah.
Don't spoil it for me. I'm up to that lesson already. So.
What was your one of the week, Nat?
One of the week for me was I got to catch up with our girl Mel on Saturday night.
Whoa.
So you guys might remember Mel from episode 7. She came to Heartbeat with the World with us and was in town, had dinner, got to meet her husband, although our partners didn't really get a word in because Mel and I got to blah, blah, blah about all things L&D all night. It was really great to see you. So nice to see you, Mel.
Hey, Mel. Rebecca, what was your one of the week?
Well, this week, I've mostly been working on personal development stuff. So I've been catching up on degree recommendations, so watching eLearning design videos, reading articles, and I also read an ebook, or started reading an ebook called Getting Started with Articulate Storyline. So it's really interesting. So I might have to practice.
Oh, whoa.
Making one.
Have a look at some of my work and you can maybe tell me off or whatever if I'm not doing the best practice. Very cool. So my one of the week was, you probably heard from the previous week, I ran a 3-day workshop, and it was a meeting with subject matter experts reviewing some of the content me and my team have been doing. And where we did the difference here is you wouldn't have the developers in the room at the same time because there's people don't like getting told they're wrong or right or whatever. But I managed to convince everyone to get in the same room, and we ran the workshop simultaneously. So we went through the content, they gave feedback, and then our developers were able to kind of do some real-time updates for the basic stuff, or go away, research the answer, and come back the following day. So on the third day, managed to re-review half the content and actually get feedback. But the coolest thing was like the reaction from the subject matter experts, because they were going grumbling about how bad some of the graphics were or off or going the wrong way. And when they came, it was like a reality show reveal. So and then we revealed the new slide, and they're like, "Oh my God, it looks spot on. It looks like it's done." And I was like, "How did you guys do it so far?" So it was really cool being able to get their reaction. And I guess it's just showing that getting people part of the process, even if they don't know what it is, getting them part of it gets way better buy-in, way better like engagement, and everyone likes doing things faster and smarter. So super cool, super exciting. And I'm already got another workshop. Looks like it's going to be happening in the next few months as well, doing something similar. So yeah, really cool from both development and kind of working with subject matter experts, which is always a problem, trying to get everyone talking the same language. Yeah, super fun. Okay, so coming weeks, what's up, Scott?
So this upcoming week, we're finally going to finish a big project, hopefully, that we were doing. I'm looking at Nat.
Finally, we are going to finish.
So that's going to be a win probably next week. But we're going to do that. I'm going to finish my courses, and I am going to do a tech show with Karl when I can nail him down, or someone else.
Hey, just for FYI, that's actually going to be my one of the week next week, so you watch out.
I'm going to get in quick. I have to bribe Karl to ask me what my win is first.
Who's got their hands up? So Nat, what's your next week looking like?
We've got a big week coming up next week. So I've got a workshop in Dunedin on the Monday. As Scott said, we've got a project that's taken us a few months, and it's quite a beast. But we're going to be pretty proud of it when it's finished. So we've created quite a large program of system training for council, and full of instructional videos and some really good instruction, and it's starting to look great. It flows. We're pretty proud of it. So we're just in the sort of final stages of building that in the learning management system now. So pretty excited about getting that finished. But biggest thing for next week is the team are gonna be together.
Oh yeah.
So TEDx next Sunday in Hamilton. The whole team's going to be coming together. We're going to have a bit of a gathering at Karl's house for the weekend, and it's the first time we've ever been in the same room all together, so it's going to be pretty cool weekend.
Very cool. Yeah. Rebecca, what's your week looking like?
I think Nat's got a few things for me to do next week, but yeah, other than that, Friday I'll be picking up.
How about come visit me?
Yeah, going to invade Uncle Karl.
Very cool. For me, next week is following up on some of the fun updates of that last workshop. I guess we're kind of just having a bit of a debrief before we start the next couple of big milestones. So it's that whole peak, and then it's a little bit of a lull. So I should have I wouldn't say cruisy, but I'm just no deadlines looming. So I'll be all fresh waiting for our epic party. Our epic
gathering?
Team building event.
Yeah, team building event. Yes.
That's what it looks like on the books anyway.
Lots of team eating purchases. So I think that's it from the team. Thanks again for watching us. If you want to join us, contact us, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.
See ya.